Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and every year on a Sunday, there's this big game that mostly guys really are into. And it has to do with football, and it's always on a Sunday, and it's always at the beginning of the year, and it's always boring. I only watch for the commercials. So Kenny and I decided, why not make it a Super Sunday at the Stamps of Life? What does that mean? Well, let me tell you, we are going to have a live event before the game, so you're not going to miss any of those fun commercials. Before the game, we are going to have a live event 1 p.m. Pacific time for only 1 hour. You will not miss any of the show, any of the games, any of anything. And we're going to do a live event. We're going to have a couple contests. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to demo some new product, including our next online class will be revealed and be available on Super Sunday. We are going to have so much fun. Also, I'm releasing something else besides the online class. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm so excited. I've been waiting to share this other item with you for so long, and it's finally time. So, Super Sunday, Stamps of Life, we're gonna have so much fun. Leave those guys behind, or if you like the football, that's all good for me too. But, because those commercials are really fun, right? 1 o'clock Pacific, it's only gonna be an hour. Check it out, we're gonna have so much fun, live event, and you know what? I will see you there. Bye-bye.